So it begins, everybody. We get our bees tomorrow, but today we are going to visit a friend's apiary and we're going to check out what a real hive. I think he has about 250,000 bees here. So we're going to go check them out and get ready for ours tomorrow. So we're in Frank's big hive now, and we found some super seizure cells, but they're getting ready to swarm possibly. So we just killed a queen here, and we're going to open this one up. We're going to open the next one?
Yeah, we're going to open this one.
And there should be a almost fully grown queen inside here, because we actually found one that was hatched already. So, so there's a queen larva, and he's trying to stop them from swarming. And I think we just got to it in time, huh?
He's coming from this way. The city is going to go down here this Friday.
So he has a very, very healthy hive, this one. And these guys are getting a little crazy, so I better put my glove back on. Right here.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, hello. Good. Looks like we're one of the first. Well, folks, the day has finally arrived. The bees are here. So they are awaiting. They're in their nucleus colony box, waiting to get put into our hive back there. And I'm gonna go get them now. Get myself ready here, and we'll see you shortly. Okay, folks, the big day has arrived. About to put the bees in. So they built a lot of comb on top of this, which is a good sign. They've already found my well and they're loving it.